We were an emergency transfer from a different PICU to this one, and it was late at night, and she was the very first person that met us and took us in and just made us immediately feel like our baby had a chance.
Dr. Andreone, we first met in the PICU. We were in an emergent situation with Lily, and she came by her bedside. She was on call and did not leave her side the entire time.
The way that she cared for Jazzy, you could not miss it. You could not miss seeing her come in and playing. Not only just taking care of, but coming in and playing with Jazzy just made you feel like this is somebody who truly does care.
Dr. Andreone has a special place in my heart because she always treated us with respect, and our opinion always mattered. We were a team for Gracie's care. Her whole heart is in everything that she does, and you can tell that she loved your child.
Monday morning, every week she was on, Dr. Andreone would move into the hospital, come in with a little rolling suitcase, move into her office, and stay there for 7 straight days. There were times when she would disappear. We assumed she was in there because she was blasting the original Broadway cast recording of Phantom of the Opera. She is the standard by which all of the rest of us in that group measure how much of ourselves we put into a week of service.
She really lives out what the mission of SSM encompasses. She is compassionate, she's loving, she's kind, she's someone who always has time for whatever it is that you need.
I would love seeing her going down the hall, and it was almost like people began to pay attention. They knew that something was going on when they saw her coming.
I remember her telling me what a good parent I was at a time when I felt like the worst parent in the world because my baby was so sick. And for her to just take that moment to reassure me, not just to take care of the patient in the bed, but to take care of me as a mom, meant absolutely the world to me.
And I've talked to her many times about how wonderful she is, especially in a loss of a child. And she was like, I always think about that I have this little boat, and I just put these little people in the boat and I help them from here to there. And it's just so kind and wonderful.
She was with us all the way till the end. We just lost our Gracie, and she just, her whole heart is in it, and we've cried together, and we have sat and spent many hours talking about what was best for Gracie and what the plan was. Gracie loved her, and they didn't always agree, but Dr. Andreone clearly cared so much for her, and I'm just so blessed that with the experience that we had Dr. Andreone on our team.
Thank you for all that you've done for me and my family.
Congratulations, it's well deserved. I can't think of somebody who puts more of themselves into their job and who's brought more to their patients, to their families, to their partners, and to their coworkers than you. It's well deserved. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Dr. Andreone. I can't imagine a better candidate to win this award.
Dr. Andreone, thank you so much for everything that you did for our son, and I truly believe that this award is absolutely well deserved. I wish that I could give it to you in person. Thank you so much for everything you do.
Congratulations, Dr. Andreone. You deserve it, and I'm so proud to have had you as Gracie's doctor.